Channel 11's Kristen Galan is in our studio tonight as many in our region are still feeling the impact of that heavy rain over the weekend.
The flooding has been widespread across the Tri-Cities region, and this afternoon in Hampton, I found now that the rain has stopped. People are working on cleanup. The fire department there telling me they responded to dozens of calls where people needed water pumped out of their homes.
We responded to 32 calls for service.
Some of those calls were for downed trees and power lines, but officials with the Hampton Valley Forge Fire Department told me most of them were flood related, as they spent a majority of their day pumping water out of basements.
A few of the basements had water that was over 7 feet up to the floor joist in their home.
The biggest concern?
Just concerned about the electrical issues when it gets a lot of our homes or older homes with power services in the basements. And once water gets into that concerns us. It might electrify the area.
Tony Mozaway having to turn her power off in her basement when she noticed.
It was about 8, and then we noticed it was completely flooded by noon.
The river running between houses, overflowing and coming into her home.
I had all of my mom's stuff from when she passed away. I've lost all of that.
The fire department having to come out 4 times already.
3.5 feet of water when it first started.
Saying they were planning to come back again Sunday night.
We've lost everything that was in that basement. We have a lot of cleanup to do.